Just stuck his sand. His sticky head. Ooh. Come on, lean in this bitch.
Get in there. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Body roll.
What?
Hey, we look like a happy family here, bro. How you comfortable back there, Joseph?
Hmm?
You comfortable?
Yeah, my shit's buckled in. This. It doesn't work.
Oh yeah, I sat on that side. And I just sat on the other side.
Yeah, I can't find the belt buckle on that side. So.
Oh, we want to ride dirty today.
Hey.
The houses.
Hey, what is that?
Oh, it's the little ladies from Mario Kart who tells you to go.
The mushroom?
Yeah, mushroom.
Yeah, AC.
Ooh, bitch is kicking in.
Fuck that.
Bro, that's the one. Jake, that's Jake's spoiler. Oh my fucking god. And bro, wait. Oh fuck, bro, we gotta turn around, bro.
Fuck, go back, go back.
Back it up, let's go!
Oh fuck.
I need an 8.
What are you doing?
Putting license plate license. I got you, hold on.
Alright guys, we just got back from the store. Marcel went to pick up a boofer, some sandpaper. Shut your... Yeah guys, so Marcel's finally wet sanding the car. He let the... How long did it cure for?
So probably like a month and a half, maybe. No, probably like a month. Month and a half.
So hopefully this will handle most of that orange peel and the E.
Oh, you don't have a 9, you only have a 10 of these wrench.
A 9?
Yeah, I need a 9.
What do you mean a 9
For my,
That's weird.
So what grit are you using? Did you sand this
Oh, this is 80 grit.
Okay. Guys, we're just kidding. Don't use 80 grit.
Someone's gonna really use 80 grit watch.
This is 1500, alright? You could use 2000, but it's gonna take a longer time. So my boy got that 15.
I keep them things on me. You gonna go to Joseph, he gonna be cutting some shit.
Wait, are you gonna buff it today or probably not?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do portions at a time. I'm not gonna do like the whole car and then go back and buff it.
Okay,
So I'll do like the back whole quarter panel from the trunk, buff that, and then probably do the rest. Depends if it's still daylight.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure it might still be daylight. The time's about to change.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's the next day.
I'm out of breath.
Marcel's out of breath, so we stopped recording because, well, Marcel only got you the trunk, and that's it. And he also
buy a better buffer.
Alright, buddy, why you need a new buffer?
Cause that one's shit. It just vibrates, doesn't even like fucking get in the paint. So you know that old cutoff wheel I have? I'm probably just buy a little disc adapter thing to that, and then just buff it like that. I have to hold it like this, so. I keep that thing on me.
Hey, what is it?
It looks like it's for an RC car or something.
yeah.
Joseph, you throwing these on? Are they gonna work?
Yeah.
That's the equivalent of one natural spring. And it's still small.
My boy cut the springs.
I was telling him they look like Turos when they cut them. Alright guys, so Marcel picked up a daily, right? So I picked up a daily as well. Let me know what you guys think. I picked it up for a steal.
Sure you catch him whipping in it or what?
Nah bro, we almost ate shit.
We didn't eat shit.
So I got some 5s on it. You know, I got some
5x1s with 75-15 5s. Slotted rotors.
Yep.
NRG wheel. We got the OEM.
What the fuck?
Oh, we got the OEM hood bra. We got I keep that thing on me. I keep that thing on me.
So,
Marcel.
what are these?
Why does that fit you so much?
Because I'm a crackhead. You got the burners on.
Hey Joseph,
Oh, no.
so what's a 24K rating gonna do?
He got stuck.
Make it stiffer so it doesn't hit my truck tires anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You ready for some slides, Leo? You ready, Leo? Not really.
That's gonna be hella top heavy.
I need to go faster. No! I got this. I'm professional. I'll just throw on Andy. The game was too heavy. On my back.
Hey, bro, I don't think you installed them right. I don't think.
Oh, no wonder why my shit was shaking. My shit was thrown to the left.
Hey Marcel, what happened?
Motherfuckers can't drive and they hit my board.
So what are you doing?
Well,
Is that a ray gun?
yeah. What's that one map? Kino the time?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
So Joseph got rear-ended yesterday, and thankfully that's the only damage, right? That's on the bumper.
That, his tail light cracked,
Oh fuck.
and his frame on the bottom of the trunk, it kind of got pushed in, but the body is fine.
Yeah, guys. So they heat up this there and maybe pop it out.
I'm gonna try to, yeah. Gotta hold it. I got it. What hit?
Dude, honestly, it's crazy. So, for the viewers that are curious, what grit are you using to take out those scratches?
Honestly, I just grabbed the closest thing in my garage. 2000.
2000, alright. So yeah, guys.
You could do that, or you could just use rubbing compounds.
Yeah, that.
I mean, this is already messed up, so I don't think he really cares about paint at this point.
Yeah, 2000 can remove scratches, but you're probably gonna take off a little bit of your clear coat, guys. So it's probably not a good idea. Start rubbing compound if you have any scratches, but yeah, Joseph is getting a new bumper. This is just for now. As you can tell, this bumper's been through a lot. A lot.
You got cake? Yeah. Icing.
So the tabs are also broken, right? Or just one tab?
Yeah, that one's been broken forever, but they hit it and then they fucked this whole side up.
Fuck.
No, there's a piece of it right there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to, I'm probably like super glue a piece of cardboard right here.
Uh-huh.
And then fiberglass over it, and then so it's like a layout. And I'll just wait for that to dry and then drill a hole. That's how I did it on mine.
Hey Marcel, what is that?
This right here, this OG Kush, baby.
So what are you mixing right now?
That OG Kush, baby. It's the fiberglass, the resin, and the hardener. The little cheap kit thing from Walmart. It's like 14 bucks.
Buddy, what happened, buddy?
I got hit. Yeah. What happened to you? bush. That sucks. I like these tail lights too.
Hopefully you can just find one.
Yeah.
So you're just driving and booyah or what?
Yeah, I was at a red. I was turning right, and the guy said he didn't see me, but I have fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights, and he said he thought I was going. I was like, no, I wasn't going. What the fuck? And then it smacked the back of me. My hat flew off.
Damn, really?
Yeah, I went, I was like, oh fuck.
Damn, people forget how to drive in the rain, huh?
Yeah. I don't know. If anybody has shit, tail lights or a bumper, let me know. I'll buy it off you.
Hit him up, guys. His Insta's gonna be right here. Around here somewhere. But yeah, my boy needs a bumper, a light. Hit him up.
Some loving.
A little bit of loving. I'll give him the rest.
Shut off.
Hey, you gotta make it look decent somehow.
Oh, you better than no bumper.
Yeah.
We're gonna take the tape off and see one.
I know. This nozzle's like super fucking.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What's up? We gonna color sand it.
Yeah. A light sand that should work.
Yeah, that should be fine. That's how your paint used to look.
That's, yeah, because I should have faded. Good thing I got hit.
Y'all ready for another line?
Nah, this one shouldn't be as much. Yeah.
We gonna wet sand it, I promise. Oh.
Oh, damn.
I got super glue, don't worry.
Sorry. Oh, they got me.
They done got your ass.
And Marcel, how'd you do that?
Vibranium. You say a little bit of hopes and dreams?
A lot of hopes and dreams.
It's a vibranium. Alright guys, Marcel's fiberglass skills came through. The bumper is on. But damn. This bumper has been through so much. Hey, what's up, Brian?
Hi.
Bro, I don't think you've been on the channel for a long time.
I haven't been anywhere in a long time.
Honestly, a lot of people probably don't.
No,
Let's-
what he's whipping?
Alright, let's go. Let's
Ah,
go show 'em.
shit. Well, halfway wide body. Only the rear is wide right now.
So if you guys are new to the channel, then this is Brian, and yeah, what is this?
It's a jalopy. It's a Nissan hard body. RB26 build. I got the Toyota front end, fucking clear lights everywhere, fucking
You see the sticker? Don't
fucking, fucking rat truck for days, bro. You know, I got rust underneath all that. Custom paint job. Freshly chrome dipped wheels.
Wide body, quarter pound.
Custom made
Custom
spike lug
rocket
nuts.
bunny style. Duck bill.
Yeah.
That shit came out clean though.
I did the width myself with the help of my friends.
This is custom?
Custom enough.
Look how wide that
Dang.
I customly bought it.
And custom, we put them on.
is. It's supposed to be straight, that's how wide that shit is.
Are you in the process of primering it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just broke, so.
Feel it.
In between checks, I'm getting more cans, so.
Hey, it looks good
Fucked
though.
up exhaust. Fucked up everything, but I got a lot more coming to it, so.
All right.
Hey,
Hell yeah.
you can tell the difference right here, Andy. From the stock.
Yo, that shit's so smooth.
On the inside.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
So I'd say it's about like what, like an inch and a half.
Damn, bro, that shit looks good.
Yeah,
as hell.
about.
That's just smooth, huh?
It looks like it's like,
Dude, there's the
Yeah.
lighter
This came out so clean,
That's what I was
guys.
trying to.
even the little holes you fill up, primer do like probably like 4 or 5 coats and then just
Yeah.
gradually goes
It was working good, dude.
Looks
I was
OEM
putting that
almost.
shit on, even when I wasn't putting it on thick, like
Damn.
it was like covering up the scratches.
You can even do your whole car like
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. It's daylight saving. Wait, is it daylight savings or what?
Yeah, we
It's
took one
time.
over here.
It's daylight. I need to get some sleep. That's what it is.
Alright guys, so if it's daylight savings and we're an hour ahead, so we got like 4 hours of daylight and we're going home. Like, it's some backward shit. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Joseph's bumper is back to look.
It'll work.
It'll work until
Until you get a new one. Oh! Yep, it's good.
It's good.
The test! Alright, I'll grab the brick.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for new. And we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys got anything to say?
Yeah. Don't ask me to help y'all with your bumpers. I'm serious. Leave the fuck alone.
Alright guys, so I know this video is like jumping all over the place. So this is actually a week later. So yeah guys, now it's a week later. I'm sorry we can't finish a full video, so I gotta put all these
Snippets in. Snippets. Yeah. If you guys want some hot boy wheels, something like that, you know, something that's flashy, something to give you about 10 tickets a week. But yeah, hit up Nifty Built. Andy can probably put the description right here, the address, their number and stuff. And yeah, they're located in Riverside off of I forgot, but it's right by the 91. So you'll probably put the address right here and the number, Instagram or something.
Yeah guys,
Yeah,
go
hit
check
them up.
out.
They do really good work, hella good pricing. They work with you. I guess.
Whose man's is this, bro?
That,
Whose man's?